up, guys? Sean the Sheep here with another Minecraft video, and today we're gonna be at ArcadianMC, and we're gonna be playing some Skyblock. So in this video, we will be actually making another cow grinder for a friend. His username is AdventureJB. You can go check out his island, maybe donate to him. I don't know if he even has a donation box, but trust me, guys, you don't have to donate anything. You don't have to do anything. You don't even have to leave a like. It's 100% up to you guys. Like, I'm not gonna make you do anything. It's 100% up to you guys. So yeah. Also, I am so sorry for not uploading yesterday. I actually just almost ran out of time to do it, and then I went to I had the thumbnail. I already edited it. Everything was done with the video. And then I go and look at it. It was already ready to just click publish on YouTube. I quickly look at the video just to make sure it was good. No audio was recorded. Oh my gosh. And I was so mad. So today I'm actually going to be uploading 2 videos. Hope you guys like that. That's kind of like a I'm sorry for what I did. And yeah. Also, off camera earlier, by earlier I mean 10 minutes ago, I actually finished my Enderman grinder. So one way to get to it, if you guys ever want to come to my island, is go right down here, Enderman AFK pool down these ladders. So this is where the AFK pool is. Just chill over here with my one little Enderman spawner. Probably gonna get more in the future, but I'm not really sure yet. And yeah, so what I hate, why do I, every time I record, it's nighttime? Really? In this thumbnail, I bet you it's gonna be nighttime. I don't know why, but it just happens that way. And yeah, so if you guys can't tell in the middle right corner, I'm so ripped bow right now, 7.2k. But yeah, so this is the Enderman grinder, the part where they come down here into the hoppers. Down here's collection, of course. Haven't really AFK'd it at all. Right here, there's 2 little ender pearls. Let's see if I'm an ender pearl master right here. By the way, those ender pearls right here, I did not. Ooh, I am an ender pearl. No, I'm kidding. This stack I actually got from somebody else, and I'm gonna keep them. I'm not actually gonna use those. And yeah, so let's see if I can land right there. Nope, rip. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh, wow. That was such a fail. You know what? I should stop using these. All right, and also, we got a ton more IGs. Yesterday we got 6 more, so now it looks perfect. It looks amazing. And we got an AFK pool up there. Looks pretty nice. Down here, I need to clean up all these chests sometime. I don't know. So right now I'm gonna leave you with the time lapse of the cow grinder, and yeah, see you at the end of the video. Alright, so that will be it for this video. I hope you guys all have an amazing day. I'm going to be uploading probably in like an hour, maybe something like that, right after this video is uploaded. And yeah, so if you enjoyed it, feel free to drop a like if you want to. You don't have to. And yeah, that'll be it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.